In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest in 2024 without getting banned, and a method that actually gets you conversions. Now, this is what all of the big players are doing, but don't worry, it is free, and I'm going to show you everything you need to do in this quick video. So, we're on Pinterest right now, and if you go to your Pinterest feed, you'll see all of these different pins on your homepage. Right now, you probably have some inspiration from your homepage of what you want to promote on Pinterest, because you can't just go ahead and throw a random product to Pinterest. You're not going to get any conversions. What you need is a niche and an angle. Now, my current Pinterest account, which I need to rebrand, is just called Online Profits, and it's just a video account that I use for my videos. Right now, you can create an account in any niche, but what I would suggest is to create an account in either health, wealth, or any niche which is based, and targets females, because Pinterest is full of middle-aged women. Now, the niche that I'm going to show you how to enter in this video is going to be the weight loss niche, and we're going to promote a specific product which I think could do pretty well on Pinterest. Now, feel free to copy this and run with it yourself. So, you first need a product, right? You need to go to Amazon, and the product that I'm going to promote is going to be a weight loss machine, kind of like a fat burning machine. Now, these machines work really well. They convert really well on Pinterest because they are aimed at middle-aged women, and they can just stand on them, and it rates the fat off. So it's a $199 product, which is a good price, which means we're going to get a good commission on this between $10 and $18. So we can promote this to our Pinterest audience. Now, the way that we do this is not going to be as simple as just copy and pasting the link. We're going to have to do one more extra step, which is free. It may take you maybe 15 minutes to get it set up, but it's just going to mean your account is not going to get banned. So we want to go to Pinterest, and first things first, if you're entering the weight loss niche, you obviously need a weight loss Pinterest. So I would have to go and edit this profile, change the profile picture, change the Pinterest name to something to do with weight loss. So if I go ahead and type in weight loss here, you can see all of these different accounts and all of these different pins which are talking about weight loss. Now, what we're going to do is emulate some of these pins here, and I'm going to show you how you can drive traffic to your affiliate products and actually get conversions. Now, this isn't complicated, but there are a couple of steps involved, so listen up and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. First things first, we need to go ahead and upload a pin. So you want to go to your profile, click on the plus icon, click pin, and you then need to create a pin. Now you need to drag in the graphic of a pin. Now this graphic needs to be like all of the other weight loss graphics, so it needs to be bold, it needs to stand out and catch your attention. So we're going to go to Canva, we're going to go ahead and type in here Pinterest. Now, Canva is a free online photo editing tool, so go ahead and type in Pinterest into Canva, and you'll get all of these different options here. Now, these are all templates which we can customize. There are 13,000. If you go to all filters and scroll down, you can just filter for the free ones, and you'll still get a decent amount. So, 3,000 templates. Now, we want to make a pin, which is like this. Now, let's analyze these pins. Why are these pins effective? Well, they have bright colors, bold fonts with a picture which catches people's eyes. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Now we're going to have to choose from a template, and we can edit all of the colors and edit the way this looks. So let's go and find one which we can kind of emulate. I'm already looking at this one because it's got the background with an image, and we can easily edit this text. This one looks good as well. We'll run with this one. So I'll click on this, and whatever template you use, you can change it anyway. So here is our template. I'm just going to zoom in down here, and we can start to edit this. Okay, so this is what we're going with. It's not perfect, but it works. So now you want to go share, and you want to go ahead and download this pin, download it as a PNG file. So here it is. Now we want to head to Pinterest. We want to go ahead and create a new pin. So go back to your profile, click pin, and then upload your image that you've just created. So here we go. Here's our image. Now, what a lot of people will tell you to do, and what worked before, was you could just link to a product and it would be fine. But nowadays, Pinterest is banning accounts if you do that, and I wouldn't recommend you do that. Instead, what I would recommend you do is create a landing page. So if we look at some of these pins in the weight loss niche, you'll see if you click on it, it's going to go to a website, which is kind of like an article about how to lose weight. Now, what we can do is we can create a free website with Google Sites and kind of link our affiliate link in this website. Now, this website only has to be a single page website, and I'll show you here. We'll get it set up in 5 minutes, right? So go Google Sites. You could even use a template. But for the video, we're going blank site. Look how quickly we can get this set up. Now I'm going to write here, the best 5 ways to lose weight. Now look how easy this is going to be. You can do this in your niche. Now we'll go to Unsplash. We'll go ahead and get an image to use here from Unsplash. This one will do, so we'll download this. We'll go ahead and click image on Google Sites, click upload, and we'll upload this image we've just downloaded. So now we've got our website coming together. Now what we need to do is write an article on the best 5 ways to lose weight and include our affiliate link from Amazon for this product here. Now we can go ahead and write this article, no problem. You can also just go ahead and go to ChatGPT. Now, if you've not used ChatGPT, it's an AI tool, and I could say here, write an article explaining the top 5 ways to lose weight. In one of the ways, explain how someone could use a vibration plate to lose weight. And by giving it this prompt, it's then going to give us an article with the top 5 ways to lose weight, and one of them should be including this vibration plate. So here we go, and this is where we're going to put our affiliate link. Okay, so now we can copy this article. Look how good this is, right? Now we'll go to Google Sites, and you can go ahead and drag some images in if you want. I'm just going to add a text box, but you need to format this and make this look good. Okay, so now obviously you would highlight whatever needs highlighting and bold whatever needs bolding. You can obviously go for info about this, but you've got here your vibration plate for quick weight loss. All we need to do now is you need to go to Amazon. You need to go text copy your affiliate link from Amazon, then go to Google Sites, and you can now paste this in whenever it mentions vibration plate. So if you highlight this, we can then go and link it. So click insert link, paste, and now you've just pasted in your Amazon affiliate link. You could even say, get the best vibration plate here, and then we could even link this and make this an affiliate link as well. So now what we've done is we've created an article that explains how to lose weight, and one of the methods is going to be using a vibration plate. Now we will publish this. We can give this a web address, so weight loss easy for beginners. It's going to be hard to find a domain that is available in this niche, but nonetheless, when you manage it, click publish, and your site is going to be live. To preview it, go to the top right, go view publish site. Okay, so now you've got the 5 best ways to lose weight. You've got an article, and this link should redirect to Amazon, so I'll click it now. It should then take me to Amazon.com and take me to my affiliate link of this product. So everything's all set up. Now we will copy this Google Sites website. We'll go back to Pinterest, and you can see we've already added our pin. So now you want to say in the title, 5 ways to lose pound 30 in 3 months, or whatever the title is, right? Give it a catchy title, then add your link, add a description, and then go ahead and choose a board. For this, I would have to create a new board. Create board, weight loss, create. Now, once you've entered in all this, you've done the tags and everything, click publish, and now your pin has gone live. So here it is, 5 ways to lose 30 pounds in 3 months. If they then click on your pin, it will take them to your Google Sites. So you're not going to get banned for spamming affiliate links. And inside your Google Sites blog post, you've got your affiliate link, which when people click on it, will redirect them to Amazon. If they buy, you will earn a commission. So I hope that video did help you out. Try that method. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.